Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the basics are correct. Updates and the Windows Media Player feature must be enabled. Once done, restart the computer to clear transient errors, then run the built-in audio and program compatibility troubleshooters to capture common faults automatically. Make sure to temporarily disable third-party codec packs and antivirus that can block playback. This narrows the problem quickly. If the player still won't open, proceed to targeted repair steps to reset internal settings and caches. Once initial checks are done, stop the Windows Media Player network sharing service so files aren't locked, then delete the local Media Player database cache to force a clean library rebuild. This fixes corrupt indexes. Next, open an elevated command prompt and re-register key DLLs such as JScript, DLL, and the WMP Network Manager to restore broken COM registrations. While you do this, update audio/video drivers and remove conflicting codec packs. These steps repair the internal state and restore normal playback behavior. You finish by reinstalling Windows Media Player through Turn Windows features on or off. Uncheck, reboot, then re-enable and reboot again to replace core files. After that, run System Integrity Tools, SFC/Scano and DISM Restore Health, to repair damaged system components that WMP depends on. Finally, test playback. If problems persist, create a new user profile to rule out corrupt settings, or roll back recent Windows updates as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: keep a note of any error codes and restore points to revert changes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.